Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about extracting data from the exception class, part of programming in C++ course. The data stored in the exception object can be accessed and used for error handling purposes. This can be useful for providing more detailed information about the error, such as error codes, file names, line numbers, or error messages. Here is an example of extracting data from an exception. In this example, the custom exception divide by zero exception is derived from std runtime underscore error and provides an error message divide by zero. The divide function throws an exception of type divide by zero exception if the divisor y is zero. The exception is caught in the catch block in the main function, and its error message is printed on the screen using the what method. The error message is stored in the exception object and can be accessed through what method, which is inherited from the std exception class. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.